Right-click on the background layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter. Filter Gallery. Under Sketch, select Halftone Pattern. I use the dot pattern. Adjust the size and contrast to your liking. Go to Filter. Noise. Add noise. I make the amount 40% and the distribution uniform. Add a threshold layer. Adjust the threshold level to what suits your photo. Add a gradient map layer. Select or create a gradient with two colors. If you double-click on the filter gallery layer, you can adjust the pattern type. If needed, you can also adjust the threshold level after changing the pattern. And that's how you create this effect.